Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I am actually recreating a look that I did on myself almost 3 years ago when I graduated high school in 2016. I went through my Twitter pictures and I came across the picture of when I graduated. I'll go ahead and show you guys right now. Let it focus. And if you guys have been here from the beginning, you guys know that I had already filmed a video on this look a few months after I graduated because a few people were asking for a tutorial, and that's when I had just started my channel. So I did film that look, but YouTube actually took that video down because of copyright reasons. And I was so upset because that video was actually doing so good. And just to let you guys know, I only filmed the eye portion of this video. I do have a video of all the products I use on my face and how I use them on my previous video. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, you guys can. I'll go ahead and put another card up here. If not, I'll make sure to link the video at the end of this video. So if you guys are interested in recreating my own recreation of my own look, you guys can go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my eyebrows. If you guys want to learn how I do my eyebrows, you guys can go ahead and click on this card up here, and it'll take you to my last video where I actually show you guys how I do my eyebrows. Okay, so I know my face looks a little weird because my eyes are concealed and my face is like red, but for that eyeshadow look, I remember I used this Tartlette and Bloom palette. I'm going to go in with the shade Sweetheart right here, this light pink one. I'm going to use the Morphe M518 to blend that all over my crease. Okay, now I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush, blending brush, and I'm going to take the shade Rebel, and I'm going to apply that right underneath the eyeshadow I just applied. And my eyes are a little dry right now, so this is probably not going to blend out nicely. And I know I didn't use this palette the first time I filmed the video, but I just want to improve this look just because I wasn't very happy with the way it came out the first time. So I'm going to go in with Love Letter with my Morphe 518. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend it over the top of both eyeshadows that I just applied. So to cut the crease, I'm going to go in with my L.A Girl Concealer, the same one I used to carve out my eyebrows. So I can't remember exactly what glitters I used for that look, but I went ahead and mixed actually 4 glitters. I don't think you guys have to do this, I think it was just being too much, but I mixed in the gold by JCat, the silver glitter by JCat as well, and then I have these 2 random glitters. It's a purple one and a pink one. You can probably find these 2 shades anywhere, any glitter line, because these have like no name. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some glitter primer. This is a NYX glitter primer. I know my face is a little red right now. I had to brush off some of the glitter fallout, but I'm going to go ahead and prep my skin with the L.A Girl Pro Prep. This is a really inexpensive primer that I love using on a daily basis. Just going to go ahead and spray my face with some Badescu. And for foundation today, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline New York 24 Hour Foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I just quickly wanted to show you guys how this foundation looks by itself. Since I know the last video I made, I did mix 2 foundations, so this is the coverage I get with this foundation alone. So I already went ahead and finished my makeup. For my lashes, I am using the Koko lashes in the style Monroe. And for my lipstick today, I'm using this Maybelline lipstick. It's called Beige Babe. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the eyeshadow portion. Obviously, I know I didn't show my face portion. I'll go ahead and move up for you guys just so you guys can see the end results of my eyeshadow. If you guys are interested in knowing what products I used on my face, you guys can go ahead and watch my last video. I'll go ahead and put a card up here. You guys can go ahead and click on it and it'll take you directly to it. And that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys here next time. Bye guys.